Okay, we've got the 510 top end side console. Just a quick rundown already. I've stripped all of the timbers out of it and I'm going to replace the floor, the cast deck and the cast deck floor. I'm replacing it all in aluminium. I've had to lift the console out, make some new bracketry for the console. After cutting out all of the panels, I lay them down on some carpet here to size out. Then I cut out the panels out of aluminium. After the panel's been cut out, I cut out the carpet and I glue the carpet to the panels. I scratch up all of the panels so that the glue sticks. This is all to do with the cast deck, this one, CD, cast deck. This is all the cast deck panels. And then on the table here are all the floor panels. And this is what I'm using. Little Stanley knife, spray gun full of glue. I've already glued the carpet to the panels on one side and all the panels have been fitted. They fit nicely. There's a lot of work that goes into that. And then now I'm on the final stage of carpeting, and it is just gluing the edges down. So I've got a 40mm edge around here, which I will glue, and then this folds over onto this 40mm scratched area here as well. And here I've done one corner just to demonstrate. And sure, people have said, oh, you should cut 45s and you should do it. No, I don't. I do it my way. And my way was taught to me by a tradie upholsterer, so I figure who else to ask the better questions of than a tradesman in the job, in the know. Okay, so this is a little quick video just to show you where I'm at with it. All the pieces all laying on the floor. All the pieces on the floor. I've still got to cut these ones out of aluminium. I went and bought a new sheet of aluminium yesterday just for those two pieces. And then I have some more pieces sitting up here which have also have to be finished and cut out, all to go back in the boat. But so there you have it. Just a quick little video of it. The glue that I'm using in the spray gun, it's just spraying glue. Sprayable contact adhesive. That's got all the instructions on it, what we've got to do. And that is with compliments from my friends at Darwin Kitchen Cabinets of Darwin. They supplied me the glue today. And if I lift that up, you'll see that she's all brand new carpet. I bought a roll of carpet. Bit of a funny story with the carpet. I went in and I needed to buy 6 meters of carpet. So I bought 6 meters of black carpet. Then I spoke to the customer and he said he wanted grey. So I went back. They didn't have 6 meters of grey carpet. They only had 5 meters of grey carpet. So I took the 5 meters of grey carpet Got it back to the workshop and I rolled it out, and I will put the rolling out of the carpet on for you. It rolled out to be 3.3 metres, and that was not enough to do all of this. So I hightailed it back to the shop and told them that they shortchanged me. The gentleman honoured me. He knew that I bought the piece, and they supplied me another 3 metres free of charge. They're a good bunch of people, and that was from Carpets and Vinyls on Coonawarra Road in Winnellie. Very lovely people in there. Thank you very much. So this will be a short video I'll just put up for you very quickly. Thank you for watching, and if you want to see more, subscribe to the channel and get onto one of my long videos of when I do the full carpet work. Thank you for watching. Talk to you soon.